What is computer science? First, don't think about computers. Imagine you have a robot. The robot is very powerful. It can lift things, it can walk, it can even cook. But it is extremely stupid. If you don't tell it exactly what to do, it will do nothing. Now imagine you say, make me tea. The robot asks how. So you must explain every step to the robot. Then only the robot can process. First, walk to the kitchen, pick up the kettle, fill it with water, turn on the stove, boil the water, add tea leaves, pour into a cup. Only then can the robot make tea. Now, replace the robot with a computer. A computer is like that robot. It doesn't know anything by itself. It cannot think, it cannot guess. It only follows instructions. So, what is computer science? Computer science is the science of teaching a computer how to solve problems by giving it the correct instructions. That's all. Let's see examples. Example 1. I want to calculate 25 into 16. You teach the computer how to multiply. The computer follows the instructions. So it displays the answer 400. Example number 2. If you want to watch YouTube, someone wrote millions of instructions to it already. The computer follows them. Now, if you open YouTube and click the play button, it follows automatically as already instructions are given to it. Example number 3. I want to send a WhatsApp message to my friend. Again, to this also someone wrote instructions already to it. So the computer follows them. If I open the WhatsApp and send my message to the friend, it reaches your friend. So everything you use daily, WhatsApp, games, YouTube, AI, online banking, Google Maps, all exist because people taught computers exactly what to do. So lastly, one line definition. What is computer science? Computer science is the study of how to make computers solve problems using instructions. Think about this. If computers are so smart, why do they understand only 0 and 1 instead of English or Tamil? That question leads naturally to the next lesson. Why do computers use only 0 and 1?